Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the first update to the Wangan Midnight Devil Z. And I have made quite a bit of progress on the chassis and engine so far. And as I was hoping, this kit is quite nice and is going together as easily as I was hoping. See that everything there is totally box stock, but fits together with absolutely no drama. Fujimi really did a nice job with this. It does still have working steering on it, and that is some track that it's got right there. It's a good thing it's got the fender flares on the body, otherwise that would absolutely not fit. The color here is Tamiya TS51 Racing Blue over a black base, which has a nice sheen to it. It's not a real high gloss here on the chassis. I'm going to reserve that for the body itself. And then some details picked out in metallics and black. The wheels here are gunmetal with some Molotov chrome there for the rims. And I have done some work on the engine. Now, my original plan for this was to leave the hood closed, but the way that everything is fitting together on this, I may go back and revise that a little bit. Haven't quite decided, which is why I haven't done anything on the body yet. But like I said, Fujimi really did a nice job with the parts on this, and it really wouldn't require a whole lot. Basically, different intake manifold, some parts box carburetors, and a little bit of scratch building for the turbochargers. So we'll see. I have not decided on that. So there you go. That's just a short update today. I'm going to be continuing work on this, and I think I am going to do a little bit of work on the engine. Whether that results in opening the hood or not, I'm not sure yet. Gonna have to see how it all goes. So check back next week for an update on that, and thanks for watching.